Butiaba, Wanseko, 101 kilometers. Buhimba, Narweyo, Bulamaji, Igayaza, Kakumiro, 93 kilometers. Masi Ndibiso, Hohwa, Nyairongo, Charushesha, Butore, and Kabari Kizaramfumbi, 97 kilometers. Other roads nearing completion, at least 75% in Gurud, Bulima Kaboya, 66 kilometers, Chenjojo Kaboya, 100 kilometers, Mubenda Kakumiro Kagadi, 107 kilometers, Bumbobi Ruahaha, Bumbo Ruahaha. These civil servants are not Ugandans. They don't know our country. This is Bumbo. It's not Bumbo B. There is no such place. Bumbo Ruahaha, 44 kilometers. Soroti Katakwi Akisim, 100 kilometers. Akisim Moroto, 50 kilometers. Kapchoro Swam, 73 kilometers. Chenjojo Fort Potro, 50 kilometers. The procurement of a contractor to rehabilitate the Tororo-Guru railway line has also been concluded. This will provide an efficient, reliable, cheaper means of transport of cargo and transport economic activity along the corridor. When we launch our manifesto, we are going to, I will tell you more about the other roads which are in the pipeline. These which were written here by the civil servants are not the only ones. This speech was written by the civil servants. I am an agent of the civil servants. So it's my speech. If I write it, but it's not so bad. I can read it for them. But it's not complete. It's not complete. The governments of Uganda and the Democratic Republic of Congo signed an agreement to work together on 3 key road networks connecting the two countries. These roads are Goli, Mahagi, Bunya, Mpondwe, Beni, Butembo, should add Butembo, Bunagana, Ruchuru, Goma. Without Butembo, they had said the total length was 1,182 kilometers, but if you add Butembo, it may be slightly longer. The construction of Isimba and Karuma hydropower plants and several other investments in the energy sector have significantly contributed to power generation and power security. The current installed generation capacity is 1,200 megawatts compared to 60 megawatts in 1986. This will increase to 1,800 megawatts once Karuma is completed in December this year. This means, therefore, that the construction of the transmission lines to evacuate this power must be completed without further delays. These lines include Karuma, Kawanda, Karuma, Oruyo, and Karuma Lira. Some of these projects are delayed by your ultra democracy system, where you put in the constitution that a villager can stop a power line of 400 kV, that because he wants compensation. He has not agreed to the compensation. But of course, our people, our managers are also not serious. Because even in spite of the limit by this constitution, one can go to court and get an injunction from the court and